I never actually realized you could visit two countries in a single trip like this. Most people travel just to check a destination of their list. But for us, just stepping out into a new city, seeing the roads, and breathing in the air of a different place, that is where the real magic is. So we did something a little crazy. On our way from Mumbai to Bali, we purposely booked an 11-hour midnight layover in Singapore. While the world was asleep, we were out exploring. We grabbed a Gojek, which is basically their version of Ola and Uber, and headed straight for the one place I have always dreamed of. That is gardens, by the way. I can't even describe the feeling of actually catching that live show in person. Afterwards, we just walked. We headed toward Malan Park, and honestly, I was just blown away by how beautiful and clean the streets were. There is a certain peace in Singapore at night that you just have to experience to understand. And trust me, none of this would have been possible if my husband hadn't carried all of our luggage.